daily dollar income from BNB or Binance Smart Chain, where you can withdraw nearly $300 in BNB daily. I will teach you in this video how you can earn a significant income with just 7 or 8 clicks a day, considering the minimal activity you perform. Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video on earning dollar income. As I mentioned in all my videos, I wish you a very good dollar income, and wow, I want to help you earn money in a completely real way. You can repay my kindness by supporting me and my channel. And let's move on to registering on the site. In the first section, enter a name. In the second section, your email. In the third and fourth sections, enter a password. And repeat the same password, then click on the register option. That's how you register on this site, and you solve the CAPTCHA as well, and it's done. Look guys, for working on these sites, I'll point out 3 or 4 very subtle tips so you can earn a lot of income using my various tricks and methods. First, let me tell you, make sure to verify your email. An email will be sent to your account, and you click on that email to verify your account. In the next section, you click on the roll option, and this eye will start spinning. And among these numbers that are now written for you, if it lands on one of them, you will receive the amount written opposite that number. If you're lucky, you can click 3 or 4 times a day. And if each of these 3 or 4 times lands on $300, what does that mean for you? It means your bread will be buttered nicely and you'll receive a lot of impressive and substantial income. And if we use the referral option, we can earn a significant income by using our referral link. Now, how does this happen? I will teach you how you can achieve unlimited referrals and use your referral link to tick off a positive income of $10,000 a month, and how we can increase our income solely by using these free websites. If the site's language does not match your country's language, you can change your language at the bottom and operate the site in your own language as you like, and start earning a very impressive dollar income to achieve financial independence in your life. The withdrawal process is very easy. If we click on the settings option, it takes you to this section where you need to provide your Binance Smart Chain address or the BNB cryptocurrency address. You enter the address and click on the update or confirm option. Then in the withdrawal section, we click on the withdraw now option. And at the top, we write the amount we want to withdraw, with the minimum withdrawal amount being 0.03 BNB. And at the bottom, click on the withdrawal option, and the amount we set above will be deposited into our account. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying my videos up to this point. If you enjoy this type of content and video production, subscribe to the channel right now. Click the bell next to subscribe to be notified of my new videos. Don't forget to like the video. I love you all very much. Until the next videos, goodbye.